What are the benefits of magnesium, and why is this form of magnesium superior to other forms?
So the benefits of magnesium are it helps relax the body, reduces muscle cramps, great for cardiac function. It's wonderful for really over 400 metabolic processes in the body. So really your immune system, your muscle contractions, all those things are dependent on proper magnesium levels. Great night's sleep is dependent on proper magnesium levels. Magnesium has shown that you can get into a deeper level of sleep when taking before bed. That's why I use magnesium in my relax formula. Now, every formulator knows there's different types of magnesium, and when you take magnesium, it has to be bound to something called a chelate. And once it's in the body then slices that. The magnesium goes to where it needs to go, and then you have to deal with this second product. Most forms for magnesium at nighttime are magnesium aspartate. So you get aspartic acid out of it, it's a neuroexcitotoxin. I don't want that in my system in the evening time. I don't want something that stimulates my immune system as I'm trying to get into a deeper night's sleep. So I use magnesium taurate. It's not an excitotoxin that's split off once you split the magnesium. It's a very highly bioavailable form of magnesium. So when you take it, the magnesium gets to where it needs to get to, and you're able to absorb it easier. And then the taurate becomes a taurine molecule, which is really amazing for your cardiovascular health. You know, in formulating supplements, my goal is not only to give you things that are beneficial for you, my goal is to give you zero that's non-beneficial. I don't want to put anything in your body that you wouldn't take if you weren't taking this supplement. No inactive ingredients, no fillers, but even my mineral chelates, I want to make sure are healthy for you. So I use magnesium taurate so that the taurine molecule can act as another healthy benefit for you because it's good for your cardiovascular system.
And that definitely makes sense.
Yeah.